Hello, you're welcome back to this section of our tutorials. In this video, we're going to solve problems on equations of a line in three-dimensional space. We did so in our previous video, so we are taking it to another step. So let's see. Determine if the line that passes through the point 0, negative 3, 8 and parallel to the given line s is equal to 10 plus 3t, y is equal to 12t, and z is equal to negative 3 minus t passes through the xz plane. If it does, give the coordinates of that point. So if this is the first time you are visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe if you haven't done so. Then turn on the notification button so that you get updated quickly whenever I post tutorial videos. Determine if the line passes through this point. So let's see. All that you need is to write your parameters down. That's the first step. So we now have our line. So the line, it was given as parametric equations. S is equal to 10 plus 3t. We have y is equal to 12t and z is equal to negative 3 minus t. And the question is saying that our line is also passing through a point 0, negative 3, 8. Is that not it? So now we have only two informations available: equation of a particular reference line, then we have a point in our space. So meaning this line that we want to find, we need a direction for it. But how do we do that? We can see a keyword in the problem that's parallel. Once I told you that if you have any equation and if you have two lines and they're parallel, meaning that they have the same direction, right? So meaning I can take the direction of this line, then I'll use it for my equation here. How do I find the direction? Remember, the direction was given as a vector at. So the coefficient of my t becomes my direction. Therefore, my vector a is simply given as here it will be 3, comma here is 12. Then here is negative 1. That's all. Therefore, my equation here becomes r is equal to my r naught, which is 0, negative 3, 8, plus my vector 3, 12, negative 1, multiplying t, right? So I move on to expand this. So I'll have my equation to be r is equal to 0 plus 3t, right? Comma, negative 3 plus 12t, comma, the last one is 8 minus t, like this. So meaning this gives me my vector equation. But it was saying that we should determine if it passes through the xz plane. When a line passes through the xz plane, meaning at that point, our y is equal to 0. So I'll take the y part of this equation, and you know that from the parametric equation, my y part is given as negative 3 plus 12t, right? So at this point, it's equal to 0. So what I get the value of for t? My value of t is going to be 12t is equal to 3. Then t will be equal to 3 on 12, which is equal to 1 on 4, right? So meaning that at t equals 1 on 4, my vector will have my y part to be 0. And at that point, my x, the vector will be in the xz plane, or the line will be in the xz plane alone. So let's see, my r will then be equal to 0 plus 1 over 4 multiplying 3. So I'm going to get 3 over 4, right? So 3 on 4, comma, here I'll get 0 because when I multiply negative 3 on 4, when I multiply 1 on 4 by 12, I'll get 3. So here I'll get 0, comma, 8 minus what? 1 on 4, right? So what do I get? 8 minus 1 on 4. So let me further simplify here. 32 minus 1, 31 on 4. So 3 on 4, comma 0, comma 31 on 4. So from the question, you say that yes, it passes through the xz plane. It passes through the xz plane. Then it passes at the point, or it's at the point 3 on 4, 0, then 31 on 4. And that is all the question demanded. Thank you for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like and share. See you in our subsequent tutorials.